Hey there, it's me Errol, back again with another video. Today we're doing the flight of stairs, but we're doing full prep on this one. So without further ado, let's crack on. Right, now that you've had a look at the job we'll be doing today, get these stairs measured up and start cutting up some gripper. The width for these stairs is 76.5. So we'll cut the grippers a little bit shorter, we'll cut them at 73. Measure it out on one stick, cut that one off, and then we'll use that as a marker to cut the rest of them. I will place 2 sticks per step, and I'll grab my trusty hammer and start nailing them on. Now when you're nailing these grippers down, this particular gripper that I'm using has in it down, you put the first stick on the step and you turn the arrow so that it faces the riser. The next one goes on the riser with the arrow pointing downwards towards the step. I'll try and demonstrate this for you. We also have a half landing on this stairs to gripper, but that gripper is the same as if you were a gripper in a room. It's no different. You just go around the perimeter with the grippers. Right, now that we have finished all our gripper work, and by the way, your stairs should look something like this when the grippers are done, we should now proceed and cut the underlay. If you remember earlier on, we were measuring up for the grippers. We measured 76.5 and we cut 73. Now we are going to cut 76.5 for the underlay. We should also be cutting 76.5 for the carpet as well. So without further ado, let's get to cutting the underlay. This tool is a hammer staple. And as you can see, I am loading it up with staples. When fitting underlay, do make sure that the underlay does not cover the gripper. Otherwise, when you put the carpet on, it will not hold. So be very mindful of how you fit the underlay. As you can see me here, I will start from the top and work my way down to the bottom. So without further ado, let's crack on. What you do need is a sharp blade. So at all times try and keep a sharp blade in your knife. Now that we have reached the bottom of the stairs with the underlay, we should go and cut some carpet. So without further ado, let's crack on. And we'll cut the carpet at 76.5. As you can see, space is a bit limited, but we'll get the carpet cut. And we'll also cut a square for our landing. Now that we've finished cutting the carpet for the stairs, we shall fit them now. Come with me. Now I'm not going to go into a great deal of detail fitting these stairs. I shall just crack it out. But if you want to go into more details on how I fit stairs, check out one of my other videos. I will leave a link for that video that you can see exactly as how I work the stairs from left to right. And I think we're just about done with this one. If you like these types of videos, please check out my playlist. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.